What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my tiny garage. My name is Jared, and in my shop today we have my air compressor. This is my gas air compressor that I take along out on service calls. And at the minute, we're having some belt squealing issues. These belts on this thing are wore out, they're dry cracked, and at some point here they're going to let me sitting. So I got some new belts here today. We're going to pop the shield off, get these new belts installed, and load up for the job in the morning. In order to get the belt tension off of here, we have to loosen up our pump. There's tension bolts on either side of this thing that help tension the belt. So we want to loosen up these mounting bolts, which will then allow the pump to slide back and forth, which should help us get those old belts off and then the new belts on, of course. There we go. Let's see if that's enough to get our belts off, maybe. Nice and crusty. Look at them. Yeah. It was time for a belt change, I think. There we go. Pulleys look good. Now we should be ready to go ahead and put our new belts on into place. These worked. There we go. There we go. There's one. There we go. Okay, there's two. There's the belts on. It was easy enough. Now we just got to use our tension bolt, slide everything back, and get everything back tight again. Seems pretty tight there to me. I'll tighten this jam nut down so it can't come loose on us. And I think that that's going to work right there where we have it. with our pump bolted back down and our belts back on here, let's go ahead and start this and see what it will do, and hopefully it stops squeaking, and hopefully everything runs right. So let's go ahead and get it fired up and see if we can see if we fix the problem. Well, that worked out great. It works good, no screeches, and we fixed the problem. Everything seems to be running straight and true back here. So the last thing left to do for us is put our guard back on. I think we're ready to rock and roll from there. And there we go. That took care of my problem here for today. Got me rolling for the next day. Probably not a very long video here for you guys, but it's what I had to work with here at the minute. But hopefully, if nothing else, if you weren't really sure how to change these belts, maybe it helped you out. Nothing else, maybe it gave you a few minutes of enjoyment here watching me work in the shop. So thank you guys for stopping by to watch. I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded up on here and finish loading up the truck for me in the morning. So we will catch you guys in the next video.